which basically means that we want to try and use the least amount of chemical with the most effect. We don't want to cover your house, and it's, you know, even though everything is safe, it's not the best way to go about things. So when it comes to integrated pest management, the best things you can do to help your property, if you were to see a couple of these trees right here, some of them are actually touching the gutters. That will actually lead the pests to climb up the tree and go onto the roof and get above the chemical area that we spray lower. So with something like this, sadly, we can't do much about, but we can always recommend to the client to have that tree pulled back or taken down from the property. Because not just for pests, but that's a big rodent issue or raccoon issue. They'll climb up onto your roof and get inside of your property, and that is no good. Little things like this, with customers' permissions, we can clip things away from the property. That's just something to help, because you'll have a lot of ants that'll use those to get onto the building. Again, if that's above where we sprayed, the chemical's going to have no effect. So those are just a few of the extra options we offer around the property. Alright, and another thing, you can see right in this corner right here, some rodents have chewed through the screen enclosure for your pool area. This happens all the time down here. Your best options, make sure your property's sealed. We do that, other companies do that, but we'll come do it for you. It's what we do. Make sure everything's sealed so they don't get into the attic, and if they're continuously coming into your pool cage, if the traps aren't working, we'll put out rodent boxes. Those rodent boxes will deter the rodents from the area, and if there's anything else in the area, it'll take care of them as well. That will keep them from going into your pool cage. Alright, so basically now we're going to end up web wiping. We're going to inspect for wasp nests, any type of spider web, spider eggs. We're going to try and clean the house a little bit. It's an extra service we give for free. So, and this actually makes the house look really nice afterwards. One of our biggest things that we take care of course, there will always tend to be issues even after a treatment, and those end up being service calls. Service calls are an excellent program that we offer afterwards. Any issues you have, no matter what, free of charge, will typically come out and we'll end up taking care of that issue. Even if we have to show up multiple times, we will definitely take care of it for you, because that's what we do. We help you.